All right, Tesla fam. Today we're going to be talking about tow mode and how to actually activate it safely and ensure that your Tesla is actually ready for towing or being towed. Right. So let's get started, guys. So first things first, I've actually guys added for you an outline of the steps at the top left. You can follow along there. And the first step, guys, is actually access the service menu. So what you want to do, guys, you want to tap on controls, okay, on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then you guys, you want to navigate to the service menu. This is where you'll find the tow mode option. So you want to scroll down in the service menu and tap tow mode, and a pop-up message will appear with safety precautions. So basically, guys, we want to review the safety instructions. So take a moment to read the instructions. So basically what happens in tow mode is, tow mode disengages the parking brake. So your Tesla can actually be moved without damaging the drivetrain. So only use it when your car is stationary and secured. Okay. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to confirm the activation. Just tap on enable tow mode to activate, and you'll see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that tow mode is active. So then you just want to monitor the tow mode status. Look, tow mode will basically remain active until you manually disable it or the vehicle's battery is depleted. So make sure to monitor your vehicle during the towing process, guys, okay? And that's it, guys. You're now ready to activate tow mode safely whenever you need it, guys. Make sure you hit that link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next